Hi all, welcome to the T-shirt Merchant, where we like to say it's never just a t-shirt. So the one thing we want to do in this video is discuss the start designing your own software. So whether it's up the top here, design your own t-shirt, or at the bottom here you'll see these links across the website. Simply just click on start designing your own. What'll happen is it'll take you to the software where you can design any apparel. On the left hand side you'll have your filters. You can have kids, women's, men's. There'll be a whole bunch of stuff here later on, like tote bags, caps, and you'll see a visual representation of it here. So let's just pick a men's staple t-shirt. It'll give you some basic as low as pricing here, what the t-shirt is, where it's from. We like to use AS color. So let's click on the men's staple tee to start off with, and it'll take you to the actual product itself. You can pick any color you like. We'll just pick a black. You've got some sizing. You've also got size details, description, and other information. Let's just put in one for now. Let's click on start designing. The designer tool will have add design, add text, and add a team name, a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's have a look at the design. Okay, the interface is set up with stock designs. These are designs that are quite basic. Maybe you just want a celebration design, very basic. Maybe it's Halloween. So you'll just click on any one of these and it'll bring it in. But we're going to concentrate on the store designs, which are all customizable designs that have been made by various people. So let's have a look at the entire lot. They'll all come up, all your pages down the bottom. But let's have a look at some alternative t-shirts, for example. Okay then, and this is what's in here at the moment. This is a nice one, so let's click on the tic-tac-toe. It'll give you some brief descriptions here, and you just select it. It'll, on the right hand side, you've got the front of the t-shirt, the rear of the t-shirt, sleeve and sleeve. So you say to yourself, you know what, I want that on the front, cool, but you know what, I also want something on the back. Up the top here, you have some instructionals. So add the name, add the design, add the text. You can change the product, and it gives you the unit price here. So for that t-shirt to be printed with this design, it's $38.73 plus GST. Let's just say you want something on the back. So we'll click on the back, and you go, you know what? I just want text. And you just say, I love my tea. We'll add that. It appears on the back. Once it's here, you can move it around. Make sure it doesn't leave the marching ants, which is the bounding box. Otherwise, it won't register for print. You want to change the color. Let's go and change a color here. As you can see, any color. We'll just pick a nice blue. And we want to change the fonting a little. So the interface will come up and you can just kind of scroll down and you go, ah, I like that one. And it'll change. There you go. As long as it's within. The pricing will alter as you start adding layers in. Okay, we won't worry about the sleeves, but it's the same principle. If you click on a sleeve, it'll show you the area and you can put text in there, you can put design, whatever you like. You can even upload your own. So let's go back to the rear of the shirt. Let's just delete this. Okay, that's deleted. Now we want to bring in the design. So again, we'll click on add design. Now up here you've got upload image. When you click on this, it'll simply default to your computer where you want to go, and you may already have an image already saved and stored. When you upload that image, a little bounding box will appear. So let's pretend this was the image on your computer, and you click that on and you select it. If the size is big enough, the PNG transparent file, saved at 300 dpi, this will bring it in. If it's not, a little bounding box will appear and it'll give you some advice and why it can't be uploaded. You may have to go and save that file at a bigger size. If you're not too sure, we do have another page that teaches you how to design, and we can set that up in another video. Okay, so we've got it at 5073, we've got front, we've got back. Let's delete the back because we didn't really want that, and we're going to just quickly do it again. We're going to put add text, I love my tea. We'll add the text again. We will change the color. Okay, it'll even let you center it, which it already does default. We're going to put it, just to say you've accidentally moved it to the right there, and you center this, as you can see, nothing actually happens. What has to happen is you need to move the text yourself and center it where you want. Now, when this comes to us for printing, we scale all the images up and down to suit each size garment, so don't stress too much on at this stage here. But if you want it very specific, let's just say you really want this to be here. Then basically we honor that. That's the size that you want. We can't actually upscale that for you because you've selected that. But you also may want to say, look, we actually want this a little bit higher. Can we have it just tucked in under the collar here? Just write that in the notes for us and we will do that for you. Okay, at this stage, click buy and it'll take you to the next screen. At this point, it'll give you the list, what's there, the price. Now you can check out, or you can start a new design and start the process all over again, and this will just start building with all your designs. Okay, then any issues, give us a call here at the T-Shirt Merchant and look out for more little help videos.